Hi guys, welcome to HTR and hashtag reviews. If you're looking for a keyboard that is productive and at the same time it should also look trendy, then you must check this keyboard. This keyboard is from arcticfox and this has very few ratings in Amazon, but believe me, the experience and the quality is superb. And the white and orange color key combination and transparent design make you feel very trendy. This keyboard comes with volume controls and a dedicated numeric keyboard, which means that it's a full keyboard and you can clearly see the inner circuits because of its crystal design, very transparent, and the build quality is very strong and you don't see any bendings. It's very strong. This keyboard is made of ABS plastic, which is known for its rugged, sturdy and hard plastic. And you know this kid's a popular brand Lego, and all the Legos are built from ABS plastic. So you can definitely consider this is a very sturdy plastic. You know, the sound while typing is the most important thing which you feel it while typing. In this keyboard, the sound and the ergonomic design, the keystroke press are very soothing to both the fingers and the ears. Listen to this. Its ergonomic design built to support both comfortable and efficient typing. For long typing, I would definitely recommend this keyboard. And they haven't compromised in the build quality and everything is perfect, but they have compromised on only one thing, that is price. Though this is available under 499 in Amazon, it is available at 419. But if you have a cred and you have cred points, do check it out. You may end up with getting it for 368 rupees, as low as I bought this for 368 with cred coins. You must check this cred before going to purchase an Amazon. By the way, this is not a cred promotion. This is just for your information. Trust me, definitely this is going to be a high value for your money spent. There is only one thing which I wanted to say is this comes with only wired one, so I don't see anything which supports Bluetooth. I tried this keyboard with both Windows and Mac laptops, and the response time is very fast, and you don't feel any lag in between typing. If you are a student, definitely you would love this keyboard, and also if you are a gamer, though it's not a full-fledged gaming keyboard, but as it has got good response time, there is no latency, you can play the games very well with this keyboard. And if you have bought this keyboard, and do let me know in your comments what is your thoughts and experience. That's all for now in this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.